Are you struggling to create eye-catching content? Don't worry. Today, I'll share 4 powerful AI tools. These will take your content creation to the next level. First up is Copy.ai. This tool generates blog posts, ad copies, and engaging social media captions in seconds. Just type your idea, and Copy.ai provides polished content instantly. Next, we have Pictory. Do you want to turn your scripts into professional videos? Pictory transforms text into stunning videos with AI-generated visuals and voiceovers. It's perfect for YouTube, TikTok, or any marketing campaign. Now let's talk about Jasper. Jasper is your personal AI writing assistant. It helps you write long-form content like articles and ebooks. This tool saves you hours of work, making writing enjoyable again. Finally, we have Canva with AI magic tools. With Canva's AI-powered design features, you can create scroll-stopping graphics. Need to remove backgrounds? Just click a button. These AI tools are game changers for creators. Which one will you try first? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI-powered tips.